Lakteche makwan hewa miareyo e kaunti ma Nakuru obogo ng'anyo kaponi ok owinj dwachgi e thuolo mar ndalo 21. Jagoro mar riwruok mar Lakteche KMPDU Davji Atela owacho ni lakteche biro ng'anyo ka ok owinj ng'ur mag-gi kaka chudo mag osara, lwasi maber mar tich e kind mamoko.
This strike is not for just a fragmented section of the doctors. It's for all the 230 doctors in Nakuru. It's for all the consultants. It's for all the pharmacists. It's for all the dentists. It's for all the medical practitioners. And particularly, we are protesting against the poor working condition. We are protesting against the poor contracts that are dehumanizing, the poor contracts that are contravening the CBA. We are protesting against not promoting the consultants to the right job group. You are being posted in an hospital as a consultant, as an obstetric gynecologist, as a physician, but then your pay slip reads that you are an intern. It is immoral to do that. And therefore, we are asking them that we may need to wait, but we cannot wait anymore for an injustice to continue being perpetrated. There were promises that were made by the county government at the time of campaigns. We are asking the government to be accountable and deliver those to the people.